loading a trailer, and securing the load. There may be very specific regulations governing transporting loads in your state or province, which are not covered here. But what we do cover here is a good guideline on loading and securing your landscape equipment trailer. Be sure to load larger and heavier equipment first and move it to the front of the trailer. Load smaller equipment last, as the forces on the equipment as you brake naturally will push the equipment toward the front of the trailer. Smaller equipment may be damaged if you load it in front of heavier equipment. Load the equipment, then it must be secured. Usually it is pushed against the front of the trailer, then secured at the back with a transport strap as a group of equipment. Each piece touches another. It is important that it be packed together sensibly and that it not move when you brake or accelerate. Trimmers and blowers should be stored on special racks or in the back of the truck or trailer. Remember, serious damage can be done to small equipment which is not secured. At the very least, a piece of small equipment should be wedged into a spot where it cannot move from the inertial forces of hard braking, accelerating, or turning. Hand tools like rakes and shovels should be secured in a rack or at the back of the truck. A good rule is that if you are in a collision or had to stop very quickly, would the equipment become loose, move excessively, or fall off the trailer? If this could happen, you must secure your load better. The exception to the rule of putting the heavier equipment on first is when you have a very heavy piece of equipment, like an excavator, large lawn tractor, or skid steer loader. In this case, the heavy machine should be loaded over the trailer axles, perhaps slightly ahead of center. Now, because the machine is not secured against the front of the trailer, it must be strapped or chained at 2 points, pulling in opposite directions, as we show you here. An experienced driver at your company will know how to assist you in loading and securing this heavier equipment, and they will choose a strap or chain setup sufficient to secure the load. The heaviest equipment uses chains and load binders for fastening, as straps are not sufficient above a certain weight. Finally, you must also remember to secure soil, mulch, grass clippings, or leaves, which are often carried in the bed of the truck. A mesh fabric tarp is commonly used to do this. The mesh allows some wind to pass so that the tarp itself does not blow away, but the tarp stops debris from blowing away.